Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, December 10th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the US dollar yen, we had FOMC interest rate news come out this evening. They did end up cutting rates 25 basis points, which caused the dollar to go down, push this down pretty hard. I was saying this morning that it looks like a 1, 2, 3, and maybe a wave 4. Definitely a little deep to be a wave 4, but it's not overlapping the wave 1 yet, so it definitely still could be. So if it does respect the 50% and it starts to turn up, softly throughout the Asian session, then it could end up being a pretty nice long opportunity. On the other hand, if it actually starts closing below this 50% level, then I'm going to say it's too big to be a wave forward, and it's actually probably going to keep on going down because it really can be a wave four if it starts overlapping the wave one. It possibly could go down a little bit more, but if it goes down much more, then it's not a wave four. It's probably the continuation of the downtrend. So keep an eye on it throughout the Asian session. It might actually produce a nice long if it's really a wave four that goes up for a wave five. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.